guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome for another video. I'm tired. I just did my 15-minute at home workout. That's a check of my schedule. I'm gonna take a 10-minute break before I go get ready for the day. I'm gonna make breakfast first for the kids. It's crazy. It's only 15-minute workout, but because I haven't been working out consistently as often, I feel extremely exhausted. So that's why it's important. Even if it's 10 minutes a day, just do it, okay? Just do it. When you work out, mentally it helps your body and spiritually help you as well. So my morning routine, literally wake up, spend time with God, work out, make breakfast for the kids, get ready for the day, and then the kids get ready for the day. And then I work on my business for about 2 hours. While I work on my business, the kids can practice piano or they can practice learning to speak Creole. And yeah, that's today's plan. Let's go make breakfast.
If one person don't eat it, oh yeah, I forgot she does do that.
Ew.
I said that was disgusting.
That was yummy for me.
What's this?
The peach orange.
Okay guys, just made breakfast for the kids and I make breakfast for myself. God will make a way where there seems to be a way. No way.
My hands keep falling.
It's okay. Here.
One hand fell.
And mommy did
Healing broken bonds.
What is it?
Make a way when there seems to be.
What you gave me?
You told me I was a big bag for eating Tobago, remember?
Stray.
I never said you. I said, I asked you a question. I said, why are you eating tomato after you exercise? I did not say, mommy, why are you eating I did not say that.
Okay, before I go get ready for the day, I wrote down my goal for the week, and I wrote down my goal for the day, things that I want to achieve. So I'm gonna take a look over them and make sure that I'm on task. Yeah, it's currently 11:40, so I have until 4 p.m. to crush everything that's on my list. So let's get to it.
That's attack. Oh my gosh. Bro, this shark's attack is sharky.
Sharky, tak do 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 do.